Stop guessing your bolt tightness and start using precision tools to prevent costly damage to your vehicle's components. First up, we have the Lexivon half-inch drive click torque wrench, a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty automotive work. This tool solves the problem of unreliable torque readings by shipping pre-calibrated to a precise 4% accuracy, complete with a trackable serial number. It features a reinforced ratchet head made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel and a unique electro black finish that fights off rust and corrosion. I really like the patent-pending dual-range scale because the yellow on black markings are incredibly easy to read in a dark garage. This is the ideal choice for DIY mechanics who need a durable tool for lug nuts or suspension work. Imagine swapping out your winter tires and feeling that confident click, knowing every lug nut is perfectly secured to factory specifications. Next, at number 2 is the DISEN 9-piece click torque wrench set, which offers an all-in-one solution for your entire garage. This set eliminates the frustration of having the wrong size tool by providing 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives in one portable case. Each wrench is factory calibrated to a tight 3% accuracy and features a 72-tooth ratchet head for a smooth 5-degree arc swing. The upgraded loud click mechanism is a lifesaver, giving you a clear, audible signal even when you are working in a noisy environment. This kit is perfect for the versatile tinkerer who moves between bicycle maintenance and truck repairs. You can easily switch from tightening a delicate bike stem to torquing down a heavy-duty engine bolt without needing to buy extra adapters. Now for number 3, we are looking at the 8-piece drive click torque wrench set, a comprehensive kit that prioritizes ease of use and accessibility. This set solves the problem of fumbling with sockets thanks to its quick release button that ensures your accessories stay locked in place until you want them off. It includes 3 different drive sizes and 5 essential adapters, making it ready for almost any mechanical task right out of the box. The 72-tooth reversible head works in both directions, which is fantastic for specialized fasteners that require counterclockwise torque measurements. This is a great pick for home mechanics who want a reliable warranty and a wide range of torque capabilities from 10 inch-pounds up to 180 foot-pounds. It is especially useful when you are working on a motorcycle engine where space is tight and precision is non-negotiable. Coming in at number 4 is a torque wrench set that focuses heavily on user comfort and ergonomic handling. If you have ever suffered from hand fatigue during a long afternoon of wrenching, this set's handle is specifically designed to fit the natural curve of your palm. It provides high accuracy readings within a 3% margin, ensuring your auto and bike repairs are done safely every single time. The quick release convenience means you can swap between the included extension bars in seconds, keeping your workflow moving efficiently. This set is best for enthusiasts who spend hours in the shop and value tools that feel like an extension of their own hands. Think about how much easier a full brake job becomes when your tools aren't digging into your skin while you apply heavy pressure. Moving to number 5, we have the Lexivon 3/8 inch drive click torque wrench, specifically the LX182 model. This tool bridges the gap between delicate small-scale work and heavy-duty applications, covering a range of 10 to 80 foot-pounds. Like its larger siblings, it features the signature electro black finish for superior longevity and a yellow printed scale for high visibility. The reinforced ratchet gearhead is constructed from hardened alloy steel, meaning it won't strip or fail when you are applying significant force. This is the perfect middle ground tool for car enthusiasts who frequently work on engine components like spark plugs or valve covers. You will appreciate the compact size when you're reaching into a cramped engine bay to ensure your manifold bolts are perfectly tensioned. Now for number 6, the Suzoom 3-piece torque wrench set offers a high precision trio designed for the ultimate maintenance professional. This set solves the accuracy headache by offering 3% precision across all 3 drive sizes, ensuring you never over-tighten a bolt again. Each wrench features a dual direction 72 tooth gear, allowing for incredibly fine adjustments even when you have very little room to move the handle. The dual scale markings are etched clearly so you can switch between metric and SAE measurements without doing mental math. This set is a fantastic investment for someone starting a professional tool collection or a dedicated hobbyist who wants matching high quality gear. It makes maintaining a fleet of family vehicles much simpler since you have the exact right tool for everything from a mountain bike to a full-size SUV. At number 7, we have the heavy hitter of the group, the Lexivon half-inch drive LX184. This specific model is built for high torque applications, reaching all the way up to 250 foot-pounds of force. It solves the problem of under-torquing critical heavy-duty fasteners that smaller wrenches simply cannot handle. The knurled handle provides a non-slip grip, which is essential when you are leaning your full body weight into a high-torque click. It carries the same high-contrast yellow markings and durable chrome vanadium construction that the brand is known for, ensuring it stays in your toolbox for years. This is the mandatory choice for anyone doing serious truck maintenance or trailer hitch installations. You'll feel much safer towing a heavy load knowing your hitch bolts were tightened with this professional grade instrument. Coming in at number 8 is the Suzumi half-inch drive torque wrench, a versatile standalone tool that excels in multi-scenario use. This wrench is engineered to be your go-to companion for everything from boat repairs to home maintenance projects. With a range of 10 to 170 foot-pounds and 3% accuracy, it handles the vast majority of automotive tasks with ease. The 72-tooth dual-direction head allows for flexibility in awkward positions, making it much easier to use under a vehicle. This tool is best for the weekend warrior who needs one reliable half-inch wrench that can handle a variety of different jobs without breaking the bank. Whether you are tightening bolts on a lawnmower blade or securing a new battery tray in your car, this wrench provides the precision you need. Now for number 9, the Lexivon Bike Torque Wrench Kit is a specialized 15-piece set specifically for cyclists. This kit solves the terrifying problem of cracking expensive carbon fiber frames or components by providing micro adjustments down to 0.2 Newton meters. It includes a wide array of hex and Torx bit sockets, along with an extension bar, all stored in a custom protective case. The aerospace aluminum handle features a unique slide-to-lock mechanism that prevents accidental setting changes while you work. This is an absolute must-have for any cyclist riding a modern road or mountain bike with precision components. When you are installing a new carbon handlebar, this tool gives you the peace of mind that you are applying exactly enough pressure to stay secure without damaging the material. And finally, number 10 is the upgraded 8-piece torque wrench set, which features a significantly improved locking mechanism. This new model solves the annoyance of having to hold the lock ring down with your thumb while turning the handle. Instead, it stays in the unlocked position until you are ready. It is crafted from high-strength chrome moly steel and aluminum, offering a professional feel and a very distinct tactile vibration when the torque is reached. The orange quick release button is a nice touch for visibility, and the 3% accuracy is backed by a formal calibration certificate. This set is perfect for the meticulous mechanic who wants the latest design improvements for a smoother workflow. It's a great feeling to dial in your torque value with one hand and have the tool stay exactly where you set it throughout the entire job. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all the torque wrenches we covered today. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you never miss our latest tool reviews and garage guides. Comment below and let me know which of these sets you decided to pick up, or tell me what other tools you want to see me put to the test next. Thanks for watching and keep those bolts tight.